Indianapolis Mayor Joe Hogsett has recruited the former New Jersey Attorney General to help reduce crime in Indianapolis. She was introduced yesterday as part of a major announcement by the mayor, but it turns out she's actually been working with the city for years. News 8's Richard Essex has more on this.
Shortly after Mayor Hogsett was elected, he started making plans for a new criminal justice center. Indianapolis at the time was one of only 2 cities in the country that was considering building a new jail. Building a new jail is just part of reforming violence here in the city. Indianapolis police have served as test cops of a sort. A few years ago, IMPD was given a list of 11 questions, an assessment tool to use when they encounter people that may be better served by healthcare professionals than a stint in the jail. Lena Hackett of Community Solutions Incorporated explains.
To help them know if the person they're encountering has a behavioral health issue, is it a mental health issue, is it a substance abuse issue, to give them just a little more data on what they could do.
At the time, there was no other tool like it being used in the country. Indianapolis, with the help of Hackett and Ann Milgram, the former New Jersey Attorney General and current New York University law professor, broke new ground. The project led to a number of others.
But once we had Ann engaged in the conversations here in Indianapolis, we then got her involved in helping us think through the Assessment Intervention Center design. That's going to be that first building on the community justice campus. And how do we...
Milgram has worked with Mayor Hogsett's team since 2016. The former New Jersey Attorney General is also credited with criminal justice reforms that transformed Camden, New Jersey, once considered the most violent city in America, into a model for crime reduction. A week and a half ago, she called Hackett with a proposal on how NYU could help Indianapolis.
Let's look at all of IMPD's data and see what their runs are for and what those outcomes are, and where is it that there's opportunity for them, for law enforcement not to be serving in that role, and it makes more sense for a community-based organization to do it. So she'll be doing she and her team will be doing much of the assessment of the data that we get across the system.
A cornerstone of the mayor's crime reduction plan is heavily dependent on data collection. Hogsett says the numbers will dictate on how best to marshal the city resources and could provide a clear view into the violence here in the city.
And hopefully have, some people call it a report card, some people call it a dashboard of what are we going to hold ourselves accountable for a community, because we know if these indicators are going the right direction, we're improving our public safety.
The city of Indianapolis has not signed an official contract with Milgram and NYU. They say the details are still being worked out. In Indianapolis, Richard Essex, WISH TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.